Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install apps on iPhone without payment method. So guys, if you want to download and install apps on your Apple device without payment method, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to your profile and then scroll it below and go to media and purchases and then tap on view account and wait here for some second again. So guys, from here you have to simply go to country and region, and from here you have to simply change the region to Pakistan. So guys, search for Pakistan and wait for some seconds and then tap on continue. Again tap on agree button, and from here you can see this: if the payment method is checked to credit or debit card, then you have to simply check this to none button. So guys, simply check this to none button, and after this you have to simply give the billing address and the other first name and second name as well. So guys, do this, and after this save this information on your device and then go to the App Store, and now you will be able to download and install apps on your Apple device without giving the payment method on your Apple account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.